How to make $1,000 per day with only using TikTok videos. Let me show you how. Okay guys, so in this training right here, I'm pretty much going to walk you through every step of the way to make these videos go viral so you can actually earn the income that these guys are making. And pretty much just like I said, you don't have to show your face. All you gotta do is pretty much take a video, cut it down, put other videos in there to make your own video, and then you'll post it. And then I'm gonna also show you at the end of this video how I actually did this and my video started to go viral. And I'm gonna give you the little tricks and tactics that it take to actually do this on your channel if you do have a TikTok channel or if you do want to make a TikTok channel. But let's hop right into it. As you can see right now, Zuku Memes is the first one that we'll go over. And they got 140K subscribers. So with YouTube, it doesn't really matter about the subscribers. It just matters about the views. And I'm going to show you guys how to actually get these views. But as you can see, Zuku Memes, you can see they got this pretty much the same titles on here. Funny, TikTok, ironic, meme compilation. And they got, I guess, video 75, version 75. So they've been posting videos pretty much every day, every week, as you can see on here. And their videos pretty much getting 300, 800K, 2.2 million, 1.6 million. And these guys are making money off these videos that they didn't even create. So let's just click on one of them right here. And you can see it has ads on there. And this is pretty much money. This is where they're making their money from. And you can see, just like this. These videos that they didn't even create. And as you can see, they credit the whoever the maker is of this video. You see Jack Kelly right here. And let's go over here to see, if you go to Social Blade, you'll actually see how much these guys, they give you an estimate on how much these guys are making. And as you can see right here, 71 uploads, and they pretty much are in the range of 2K to 32K every single month. So that's $1,000 a day if you go down here and actually see. And this is just an estimate. YouTube goes by CPM. Everybody's CPMs is different. That's pretty much cost per 1,000 views. So everybody's CPM is different. But as you can go down here and see, as the daily earnings, pretty much $63 to $1,000 per day. And you can see every single day exactly how much these guys are getting paid. And you can see the video views. So you just do the math with the CPM and kind of give you an estimate exactly how many views these guys are getting. And as you can see, 7.9 million views in this last month. And so that's why they're able to make 32K every single month. And sometimes it's higher, sometimes it's in the middle. It just depends on the CPM of that person or their channel. But let's go down here. You can see they're getting around 200, well, they average 294 daily subscribers. So this is the beauty of the TikTok niche, just because it's so popular and it's pretty much just a popular app right now to pretty much get into. And as you can see on the graph, you pretty much just blow up out of nowhere just because it's so popular, and you can just pretty much get TikTok famous out of nowhere. Just how this went. So monthly views, it was pretty much zero. Well, it got 171K views. So they were averaging a good little amount of views up in here, and then I guess one video just blew up and it went up to 13. Oh, that was a good month. 13 million views that month. So as you can see right now, you can blow up just by posting these TikTok videos. And let's go to the next one. Dankies. So it's like a meme thing that they got going on, and they do the same thing. As you can see, funny TikTok. And it's pretty much the same titles. Only thing different is pretty much the thumbnails. Like this one right here, 1.2 million views on this video. So they looking at probably making around like $3,000 just from this one video right here. And we can actually go to their Social Blade, and I had to pull it up. 1.3K to 20K per month. This monthly earnings right here that they making every single month just by posting these videos. And the last one had 71 uploads. This one got 85 uploads. So that's not a lot of videos to post if you're not even making the videos. Now, if you were making them like how I'm making them right now, it'd be a little different. But you're not even doing that. You're just taking clips from different videos and putting them together as one. And then you're making your own videos. Now, when you're making these videos, you just don't upload the videos and then they go viral. It's certain things that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video to make these videos go viral. And that's what you want to stay to the end for, because I'm going to give you guys a few tips and show you how I actually put one video up and it's over like 10K views already with 13,000 views now. But I didn't even pretty much do nothing but what I'm going to teach this teaching this video right here. And it was just a few things and it just shot up. And that's what you pretty much want to stay to the end of this video for. But as you can see, this one right here, same thing happened. If you go to this chart, it shot up out of nowhere. Boom. Okay, and look at this chart. Shot up out of nowhere. It looked like the exact same chart. Boom, shot up out of nowhere. This one actually got 26 million views. The other one had 13 million views. And look at the subscribers going up as well. And the subscribers going to pretty much help your video get that boost that I'm going to talk about in a second. But that's another one. First one around 32K. This one 20K. And this one earning pretty much around $700 a day. $500 to $700 a day. All right. Then the next one I got right here, another example. Memer Man. Well, they pretty much post memes. So these not even really TikToks, but some of these was TikToks because I remember seeing a few of them. Well, this one TikTok meme that made me laugh. All right, this one just a day ago and they got 14K views. But let's go over here to theirs and 58 uploads. And they pretty much got 4K to 65K monthly earnings. And like I said, you guys can do the same thing. Like, you don't even know who posting these videos. When you go on there, it's just different clips of different people on there. And then let's go click on one of these videos and actually see if they see the description. So as you can see right here, they credit the TikTok owner, and then down here in the description, well, they didn't even credit the people right here. I guess they just did it in the video. But as you can see, these people are not even making the videos. They just putting them together. And I got another one right here. Well, now it's right here. Slur. They only posted, let's see. They only posted 14 videos. And they're making an extra $268 to $4.3K $1,000 a month. Now, they not making $1,000 a day, but they pretty much making the extra $4,000 a month. Now, I know they could actually, that's a full-time income, and they can help out a lot of you guys that are actually watching this video right now. But they only posted 14 videos, and it, like every chart shot up out of nowhere. It just shoot up. It's just gonna shoot up out of nowhere just because it's so popular right now. And all right, and now let me show you guys how I actually posted one video and what's the 3 tips to pretty much, well, I got 4 tips to pretty much you know, boost your video. And first thing first, what you want to do, like I said, you want to just take these videos and put these videos together. So you can put this video and mix it up with a video over here and make your own TikTok video. And you just go by the titles and stuff like that to actually get these videos ranked. And so the #1 thing you want to do with these type videos is have a good thumbnail. Now, all you got to do is go in here to see, like, okay, this is a good thumbnail because it got 1.6, 1.2. You want to check out these thumbnails. and see like, okay, how can you make a similar thumbnail to this one? As you see, this one got a big face over here and a big face over here. So maybe you want to have on your thumbnail a big face over here and then a big face over here, and then you can do whatever on this side, but make sure you have a big face right here and a big face right here. All right, so thumbnail is real super important, just because YouTube, they pretty much go off of CTR, so that's click-through rate. So the average is around like 1 to let's say around 1 to like 3 or 4%, and you want to have a good click-through rate. And so this is what I did. As you can see right here on my click-through rate, it is 17.7% click-through rate. So pretty much if you have a click-through rate over 10%, you pretty much, your video pretty much going to go viral. As you can see, that's what this video started to do. And normally you'll want to get in the suggested area of the popular videos, so YouTube could promote your videos on the side of another viral video, and then from there, that's how you'll start getting the views. But what I'm finna show you right now is how you actually get views from people typing it in and clicking on your video because you rank so high. So first thing first, what you want to do, you want to go right here into, and I'm gonna show you guys this exact video right here, and it's called we're gonna go right here. I baked you a pie, TikTok. So all you gotta do is go right here. I baked you a pie, TikTok. And as you can see, this is what I did. I typed this in and I seen, okay, I baked you a pie, TikTok compilation, okay, TikTok guy, 1 hour, so you can make it's pretty much giving you what people are searching. And so you want to pretty much get and rank your video for what people are searching. That's how you go viral, just by finding things that people are already searching for in YouTube. So it's pretty much telling you, even when you type in I baked you a pie, it give you original video, meme, lyrics, remix. This is things that people are typing in. YouTube not just gonna put this on here for no reason. And so what you want to do, this is what I did. I went to this one, TikTok, and then I seen what was ranking up here. And this is my video right here. You see I got the thumbnail. I found a good thumbnail, and I made this one. Big face, big face, big face on my thumbnail. So I got 3 big faces on there, and I'm ranking the top. And the only reason I'm ranking the top is because of my click-through rate and the targeting that I did. Like I said, I baked you a pie, TikTok. That was the main keyword that I put in. Then the meme compilation that are actually funny. And so when I click this, when I click this, I was getting a lot of views from this, and this is why. So when you have a good title, a good thumbnail, and some good tags, you'll actually start ranking within YouTube, and then that's how you can get your videos to go viral. And like I said, this is the one video I posted just because I was finna actually get into this niche, but I got into another one. And if you go ahead and subscribe, you will actually see the different niches and different things just like this that you can get in. It's just not only TikTok. It's with Fortnite, gaming, you know, stories and different things like that. You'll actually be able to see that I actually show you guys on this channel. So as you can see, the keyword again, I baked you a pie, TikTok. I baked you a pie, TikTok right here again. In my tags over here, I baked you a pie song. I baked you a pie meme. I baked you a pie. It's pretty much the same keywords, and it's niched down into the same area of the video. So every tag, everything in my description, everything goes to I baked you a pie, TikTok. I baked you a pie. If you go down here, I gave credit and different things like that. But you all can go to this video and actually mimic what I did, just because you can actually see how many times I used it. I baked you a pie. I put the song in the description right here. everything they're saying, I put this in the description just because I wanted YouTube to know, okay, this video right here is strictly about I baked you a pie TikTok. And then people start watching it, and that's how I got a good watch time to start to get it pushed up into the algorithm to where I'm ranking first. So if you typed in I baked you a pie TikTok, I come up first. But like I said, only thing you need to do is have a good title, a good thumbnail, and some good tags in your video to actually go viral. But you gotta have it niched down into you know, what you pretty much want your video to be about, or what is your video about. So like I said, I baked you a pie TikTok. That is what's the main thing. I was pretty much my main keyword that I was going for. And so if you want to do the same thing, all you have to do is, like I said, have a good title, good thumbnail, good description, and some good tags about the same thing. And like I said, how you get your tags, you can actually go right here and say, I baked you a pie. I baked you a pie meme. You can put these all in your tag. You can take this whole list and put those in your tags. You got up to like 500 characters that you can throw into your tag. So I baked you a pie. And you want to put your main keyword first in your tags, because it just have more authority when you do that. So put I baked you a pie TikTok, I baked you a pie TikTok compilation, I baked you a pie TikTok fat guy, I baked you a pie TikTok 1 hour, I baked you a pie TikTok lyrics. If you put all those in your tags, you pretty much will start ranking for this video if you got a good thumbnail with it, and if you got a good description that's pretty much going along with what is your main keyword. So you don't have to just do it for TikTok. You can do it for just regular memes. You can do it for funny videos, Fortnite, Apex, whatever type industry that you want to get into. You can start actually ranking for that. But yeah, that's it for this video. I just want to show you guys how you can actually start making those amounts of money every single month just by actually taking these videos, breaking them up, putting them together, and then uploading them yourself. And then you start getting start getting the credit for this, and then that's when you'll get the views and everything like that, and then you'll be able to actually start making money with YouTube by that. And the requirement that you gotta have is 4,000 watch hours and then 1,000 subscribers. But if you post these videos, you'll see how you can actually bypass those numbers so fast. And I think with the regular CPM, you probably missing out on like $180 to like $300 of AdSense. But if you get one of these videos to go viral and you make $3,000 off that, $300, it pretty much doesn't matter. So yeah, so if you got value from this video, hit the subscribe button. I'll be posting more and more videos like this on a daily basis. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.